What's going on, everybody? As always, it's a blessing to be here. I'm Eyouel with Eyouel Exchange. I'm the Forex Finesse, the Crypto Caressa, and I'm back at it with another video. Don't forget, as always, if you're new to this channel, then please subscribe. The next goal is 1,000 subscribers. Let's get there, crypto gang. By all that being said, if you enjoy this video as well, give it a thumbs up. This video is for the Shiba Inu army. Today we'll be discussing about Shiba Inu price action and see where the price will be headed, but also when will be a great time for you guys to come in and buy and get some great returns on your money. So again, by all that being said, if you're new to this channel, hit that subscribe button with that bell notification icon so you can be notified every single time I make information-packed videos just like this one. And by that being said, let's get right into this video after this beautiful intro.
4x, everything is 4x.
Alright guys, so we're on the weekly time frame with a W, as you can see on the screen, and what we can clearly see is there's a U type of pattern happening, and this is called a cup pattern. For anyone that don't know the terminologies, it's called the cup pattern when it comes like this. You know, it has a cup right here and then comes up back here. So if we put a horizontal line over here, what did it do? It came all the way up to test the previous high, which was at 4 zeros and a 3514. It touched it and then came back down again. And this is a very, very good and critical price action for Shiba Inu. And the reason I say that is because a pullback is needed. It's not very good to see a price pump or a coin pump very high with no return, because it has to be a return of support, checking it before it keeps going up. Because if it keeps just shooting up all the way straight, there's going to be a certain point where whales or anyone that's invested heavily in the space will sell and then bring the price crashing down dramatically, maybe even back to the lower lows that it was at consistently for a long time. And if we can see with the ruler, like, we can just check how long was this consolidation period before it pumped down. It was 133 days, and then when it hit 140 days, it shot up. So within a week, you guys can see right here, I marked it up. Within a single week, the price of Shiba Inu went all the way up to 4 zeros and 3526, which was 314% increase within 1 week. So this was about 4 days, pumped up for 4 days, 3 days, 4 days, and then slowly came back down. And what is the negative balance or the negative drawdown Shiba Inu is facing? We can see how much of a percentage that is. Let's do this. So it's about 22% if we round it up of down momentum. So this on the weekly time frame where we see the bigger picture of the cup. So now let's dig into the daily time frame, the 4 hour, the 1 hour, so we can get more detailed of what's going on within this market. So here we can just see one candle going all the way up and coming down, but we don't know what's going on in between the candle. So on the daily time frame, you can see something like this. So if we get rid of this green horizontal line, we say, okay, we see a red candle here. It went up, made some type of touch and came down. This touch was to test the resistance level of the previous all-time high set. It touched it, wasn't strong enough to push through the previous all-time high. So what did it do? It came back down. So let's go to the 4 hour and see any price action differences. Yes, there is. We can see a little bit of consolidation. So what we do is we grab, we make our high. We do this with our high. And we come down in between. There's a support level here. And I'll show you guys and tell you guys why this is a key support level before we even get to the other support levels. This is a key support level because price came down, tested it, went up. When price could not pass any longer, this is now the resistance key level. When price came back down, it's testing this support level. You see the rejections, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candle rejections, then came back up. So where is price? Price is currently floating between the price of 4 zeros and the 2-1 and the all-time high around 4 zeros and the 3-5-2-6. So let's get rid of this and let's draw more support levels. We can see here came down for a little pullback, and then the last one down here with the green candle, but I'll draw it for visual perspective. There we go. So we have 4 support levels. If one key support level is broken, this key support level is broken, then we're expecting the second one to be tested. If this one gets broken, we're expecting this one. And we're not expecting Shiba Inu to come down to these levels because it's holding a strong support level with 5 candles rejecting it. And this seems to be a very strong support level. That's why I have an alert below here and then an alert up here when it comes up here. So you can see the detailed vision of what's going on with these price action markets when you keep cutting the price of what you're looking at down from the weekly time frame to the from the monthly time frame to the weekly time frame, and then from the weekly jump to the day, the 4 hour, the 1 hour, and then so on. And you can see the detailed perspective of where price is going. On the weekly, we can go back one more time. We only saw one candle rise all the way up, but you see how it's broken down. This is how you break them down when you go lower in the time frames. So let's stick to the 4 hour one for now, and we can see Shiba Inu is currently at 4 zeros and a 2736. That is the price for Shiba Inu. 4 zeros and a 2736. And it's kind of crazy because this was a crazy pump that had happened. And if we go back to the daily time frame, and I've been getting a whole lot of people telling me, hey, when should I buy? When should I sell? This is a video to know, and I'll tell you guys when. But I'm not no financial advisor by any means. I'm just trying to put you guys on what I'm in, what stocks, what cryptos, what I'm trading, so you can get your benefits and you can get your financial freedom as well and live a better life than you hoped for your life outcome. So by that being said, again, if you are new to this channel, you enjoying this type of videos, then hit that subscribe button with that bell notification icon so you can be notified every single time I drop information-packed videos just like this one. There's more updates coming, more videos being released soon. So just stay tuned, guys. There's more things coming. Just keep hitting the subscribe button until we get to 1,000. Then that's the next giveaway. I won't give you guys too much info, but I will just keep it right there. So now, since we've done a technical analysis, we'll come to the second question, which is, when should I buy Shiba Inu? Well, from this specific time frame that we're looking at, 402740, that's the current price. I would say, hey, the best thing to do in these types of situations when you haven't caught it at the bottom is to get in with the best price action and also averaging your cost of investment. So if you purchase here, that's cool, get a couple Shiba Inu tokens here, and then when it comes down, get more. When it goes up, get more. That's the only thing I can tell you guys right now, because you have missed the chance to get it at the bottom. What you can do is price cost average your spots, your coins. So every time you make a purchase, just keep making a purchase. Don't just buy. For example, if you want to buy $1,000 of Shiba Inu, I wouldn't personally recommend you to put $1,000 at the same time, because the price moves super fast, and crypto, as you know, is a 24-hour market. So just put it in one day. Let's say you put it in 100 today, 100 tomorrow, and then you will price cost average what price you're getting in at, and we'll give you the best price for your money. So that's what I can advise you guys. And to get out, when will be a great time to get out? There's a lot of things going on for Shiba Inu, and Shiba Inu is not just a meme coin. It's backed up with even the Uniswap. It has Shiba Swap going on. You can stake your tokens, you can bury the plenty of things you can do, and the returns are insane. Over 300% of returns when you just stake. So where do you get those kind of returns? Only in crypto. Crypto. Say it with me. Crypto. Ain't no stock that'll give you this kind of return. Ain't no portfolio. Ain't nothing I have seen in my life will give you this kind of returns this fast at a steady growth. So by that being said, again, that's the end of this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up for me. Helps the channel out with the YouTube algorithm. And if you're new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button for me as well. The next goal is 1,000 subscribers. Giveaway coming. I won't say what it is. And again, by that being said, spread this news to anybody that wants to be inside the financial system, anyone that's new to crypto, so they can understand what these coins have to offer and what they can put their money to use so they can get the most benefit for their buck. With that being said, I'm Eyouel with Eyouel Exchange. I'm the Forex Finesse de Crypto Caressa. See you guys in the next video. Sheep Army, stay strong, hodl strong, have a vision to when you'll be out. Love y'all. Peace out.
I surrender right now. I surrender right now. I surrender right now. Jesus turns my white